Good morning, students. Welcome to today's class. And today we are going to discuss about making condition in our day-to-day life. We make many conditions while we are talking, and these conditions happens to be two types: positive conditions and negative condition. Okay. For positive condition, you have the formula that if plus subject. You can see that if plus subject plus V1 with will or shall, you have to complete the sentence. Negative condition, if you do not plus V1 and on the other side shall not, will not, cannot, you can use. Take the example of these sentences. If you don't ask, I will not reply. If you don't tell, I will not listen. If you don't read, I will not किंबा cannot understand कही पारिबो. So positive condition हेले याडे do not काटि दबो, शाडे will not रे not काटि दबो. For example, if you tell me, I will listen. If you ask me, I will reply. Okay, students. Now ready for the demo, and we will have a real cell class.
Good morning, everyone. Attention, please. Reading practice. Today's topic: making condition positive. If he writes notes, will help. If he writes not, we will help him. If he learns good, if he learn English, we will appreciate him. If she read books, we will give marks. If he makes mistake, we will punish him. If he comes late, we will not allow in classes. Goodbye, everyone.